I am here with my final reveal of all the pages I made and what I have left with my kits. And I'm proud to say that I made a ton of pages. I lost count now that I think about it. I'm not sure. And I even found 2 more kits that I had partially done that I also killed. So on top of the 5 that I set out to kill, I killed 2 others and then used up half, or not quite half, but then started breaking into another kit because I had random Christmas kits. So I'm going to show you the ones that I found random kits from that I killed first, and then I'll go through the kits, what I made with each of them, and then what was left of the kit. So if you remember from the first video, I had a family trip I wanted to scrapbook and a random Christmas photo just because I happened to find it. I'm like, I found this, I don't want to forget about it, I want to get it done. So I got that done, and this is the page I made with it. 2016, when my son finally wanted to see Santa. So I'll show you that. But that is that page that I made. Ooh, there, phone was falling down out of the... So there was that. Here, I'm going to move the cutting mat out of the way. So there was that page, and then a couple of the random kits. I had found this kit that was almost all gone, and finished it with this page. So that was fun. And I believe I had a process video for this one. I can't remember. Yes, I think I did. There's that. And then this other kit I found that I forgot I had, and it was gorgeous. Made this page. And this is our We Are Memory Keepers kit called Wildflower. So I made this page out of what I had left of it, and I also made this page. This picture has been hanging, like I have like a, not an inspiration board, just like a random knickknacks, things that I find, or pictures that I just set aside because I want to, it's like it's kind of an inspiration board, but it's like things I love, people I love, so they inspire me, so that makes sense. So yeah, out of this We Are Memory Keepers Wildflower, I made this page, which is part of our family trip, and then this page, which is just my son's 3-year-old preschool photo, and I loved it. And his outfit kind of coordinated with the papers, and I normally am really scared to use, or not really scared, but I don't know how to use these papers that have something printed on them already, and I really liked this, and this idea just popped in my head to do a few layers and tuck some stuff in, and I loved this saying, so I didn't really want to cut into this paper, because the background is this pretty yellow, but I mean, it's nothing special, so I really wanted to, and then I saw this sitting there, and I was like, oh my gosh, green. It just worked perfect. I did put this on there. This is from something else. I don't remember. It does have black, and there's really not a lot of black in there, but the red pinky tone worked, and the minty with the green, so I just went with it. But yeah, so this was a random kit that I had pictures left over. I had to do this yet, and I had finished all my kits, and so I found this one, and I did some stamping for a paper issues challenge. Yeah, so that was the We Are Memory Keepers Wildflower, and this is all I have left. 2 rolls of washi tape, which I'll use those, so those I'll set aside. And this was, I'm just keeping a branding strip because I have a stash of branding strips, and this is it. This is all I have left of that. So yeah, and this is so pretty. But yeah, that is it. So I'll keep the branding strips. And I might keep these in my little card stash. In one of these months, I'm just going to make cards. So, yeah. Paper clip that together. So that is that. Alright, so now onto the kits that we made. Or that I had set aside to make. I did this one. And there's a process video for this one. And I made this one. And there's a process video for this one as well. Oh, I'm kind of out of frame, aren't I? Let's move up. Sorry about that. And then I made this one. This was a freaky fast formula from the scrap room. So these three were all one kit. I know you can't see them all in frame, but those three were all one kit. And this is what's left of this kit. The sticker page, which if I find coordinating stuff, and I feel like there's a lot of things I could use for cards on here, which is kind of fun. And then all I have left is a few really small scraps. Like I'm probably gonna toss this. I might use that because it's for a card. And this one was a Studio Calico. It's the Here and There collection. I kept a branding strip so I wouldn't forget. But yeah. Oh wait, this is not this collection. Just kidding. It does not go with that. This was a note to self, Lori Whitlock, Echo Park. Just kidding. That was not Studio Calico. That goes with the other one. So yeah, of all of this, I'm probably just going to toss this. It's small. It doesn't matter to me. And yeah, this stuff will work well for card making and such. So that's what I have left of that. All right, this layout. These next two layouts. I made this one. There's some sequins, very bright and colorful, completely opposite of this. This is very muted tones, like earthy tones. This is bright and colorful. Made that one, and then I made this one. Did a little bit of mixed media, a lot of banners, did some tucking, made a frame, does not want to stick. I'm gonna glue that down right now. There. So what I have left of that kit is another sticker sheet, because it's hard to use up an entire 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And this is another Echo Park. This one is Photo Freedom Volume 2. And then some papers, which are decent sized. This was one that had a lot of cut aparts, so I didn't use it. I used more paper because I didn't really want to use the cut apart part. But yeah, so that is what's left of that one. I really like the way this one turned out. All right, now this is this is the, I think this is Here and There. This is My Mind's Eye. That's the Cosmo Critic. Yes, I believe this one. So I believe this is my Studio Calico Here and There collection, yeah, because I think these all had names of cities and stuff. And this is all I have left, is a couple papers. I'm showing you this first because it's like a mess over here. Just a couple pieces of paper, some arrow stickers, 2 very small strips, and these 2 brads, which I have a boy, this is a dog, and there's glue on it, and a car, and I'll probably use them with something, so I'll stick them in my stash, and the stickers will go in my stash, and I can make actually a really cute card, I think, with this green. I have a little boy that likes green too. And what I made with this kit was this layout, about the loons. This one. This was a sketch challenge from the scrap room, and I had these things in my stash. Which that was, these were on My Mind's Eye chipboard, and this is all I have left is these 3 buttons after all the layouts this month. So I'm gonna put this in to use to finish up next month. And also I used a lot of these jelly bean soup, and I have some black, these black ones are Webster pages, so I'll use up those, try and use up those next month too. And I used a lot of this Recollections sticker book. Not as much as it looks like, but I went to it quite often because it's family oriented. And then this, which I tore off the thing. I think I say what it is during one of the process videos for this other one because it really went well with this collection. See, I used that's from it, the buttons from it. So yeah. So I'll try and use those up next month maybe. So this layout, which is fun, is that these layouts I feel like look completely different, and they're all from the same collection. So here's this one, and then this one. Yeah, they're just all over the place. So those are the 3 layouts from this collection, which was the here and there. And then these 3 layouts are from, I'm pretty sure this is My Mind's Eye, or it's American Crafts, and we got My Mind's Eye stickers with it. This is all that's left. And this is just backing for some of the embellishments. So it's not even... And here's what I made with that one. I made this layout. I love that this paper already had this on there, so it kind of helped me embellish. Got some stickers, old stickers used, a glassine bag. Made that one. And then I have a process video of these next 2. They're like in the same process video together because I made them like their 2-page layout, but they can stand on their own. There's this one and this one. And then the last collection is also a Cosmo Cricut, and it was Cosmo Cricut 23. This one's called, I think. And I made this layout. And these are fish, pictures of fish that we actually took, that I fussy cutted out. This one, and then this one. And they were just some sketches I found. Ugh, don't look at my... And then I found this matte paper, and that's all I have left of that. But this is, yeah, the branding strip. Ring Choice, yep, 23. Cosmo Cricut. So this is what I have left of that. I have some cardstock left that came in the kit. Words. One of the borders I punched. Some tiny pieces. Oh, this has glue on it. And very small scraps. So cards galore. That's what's getting made with this. Or if I find a really good idea for lots of little layers behind a picture. And then last but not least, I did do one more photo, and there was no kit or anything. I just found a bunch of papers that I had and some old embellishments that went together. And I did this monochromatic mixed media page about the moon, and I made a shaker pocket, which I packed it too full. It doesn't really shake, but there's sequins in there. That's all that matters. And yeah, that is it. So I hope you enjoyed all these kits. Let's see, how many did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did 18 pages, guys. I think that's the most I have ever done in 1 month, ever. So, thank you for watching, and me making these videos apparently gives me a goal and keeps me accountable. So thanks. Yeah. Thank you again, and kits killed. On to another month. I have a bunch of partial kits I'm going to go through, because since I kept finding some, I kept finding my stash of where I put all my partial kits, so I'm going to do a bunch of those next month, and then I think we'll tackle some cards in July, because July is a little busy for me, and cards would be easier to sit down and do a bunch of them. So thanks for watching. Bye!